Hi, how are you everyone? Today we're going to take understand angles and unit angles. Topic number 15, lesson 2. Objective. I can use what I know about fractions to measure angles. So I'm going to use today the fractions to find the angles or to measure angles. Degree. What is the meaning of degree? Here we have an angle and the measure of this angle is 45. Okay, but if you can notice, we have here a circle above 45 on the right top of 45. This circle is called degree. So what is the meaning of degree? An angle is measured with units called degree. So it is a unit, a measuring unit that we use it for the angles. Okay, here we have unit angle. What is the meaning of a unit angle? Now, everyone please focus on the circle. Now, in each whole circle, one whole circle, I have a 360 degree. I have a 360 degree. So, if I took only 1 degree, I can write it as 1/30. I can write it as 1/30 because I took 1 degree out of 360. So unit angle means an angle that turns through 1/360 of a circle is called unit angle. Okay, to find or to measure a right angle, I can make division. I can divide. How? Let's look at this circle. Since I said before, like I said before that one whole circle measures 360 degree, so I can find it by using division. How? I have this right angle and I want to measure it. So I will try to complete drawing the lines 1 and 2. So I will get 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So I will divide 360 divided by 4 and I will get the measure of this angle. So 360 degree divided by 4 equals 90 degree. So 36 divided by 4 equals 9 and place the 0 down. Or I can use multiplication. Multiply to find the measure of an angle. Let's look at this circle. I have this angle. Let's just try to complete the lines and get the same size of this angle. If I draw a line here and another line here, I have also to draw a third line to cut these parts. So I will count how many parts I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 equal parts. If I want to use multiplication, I will say 1/6 because this angle equals 1/6. 1/6 divided by 360 degrees equals 360 over 6. 36 divided by 6 equals 6 and 6 divided by 6 equals 1. So the answer will be 60. So again, I can use multiplication to find or to measure an angle by taking the part, only a unit fraction, and divide it by the total number of the degrees. And for me, I find this one easier. I can use the total number of the degrees of a circle divided by the parts, the equal parts of a circle. Okay, look at this smart question. What if I have two units of a fraction? Okay, remember that 2/6 equals 1/6 plus 1/6. So I have 2 units fractions. Okay, so to find the answer or to find the measure of this angle, since it's 2/6, so 1/6 equals 60 degrees. So I can add 60 2 times. 60 plus 60 equals 120. What if I have here 3/6? The same, I'm gonna add 60 3 times. If I have 4/6, I will add 60 4 times, and so on. Find the fraction of a circle. Okay, now before I was giving you a fraction and you were giving me the degree of this angle. Now, no, I will give you the opposite. I will give you the degree or the measure of the angle, and you are going to give me the fraction. So what are you going to do is write the measure of the angle divided by the total number of the degrees that we have. So here they give us 45 and they want us to find the fraction. So 45 divided by 360 will equal 1/8. So if I have the degree already, the measure of an angle already, I will divide it by 360 and I will get 1/8. Let's look at this question. Susan thinks the measure of angle B is greater than the measure of angle A. Do you agree or no? Explain. Now, circle A is smaller than circle B, but both of them, they have 6 equal parts. They divide them into 6 equal parts. Both of them, we choose 1/6 out of each circle. So the measure of the angle for both of them supposed to be equal. So here, no, I don't agree, because the size of the circle does not change the measure of the angle. The size of the circle does not change the measure of the angle. So because here I took 1/6 of the circle, and here in A also I took 1/6 of the circle, both of them, they have the same measure, which is 60 degrees. Let's try to solve these questions. What fraction of the circle does a 120-degree angle turn through? So I told you, if I have the degree already and I want to find the fraction, I will take the degree divided by the total number of the degrees of a circle. And the answer will be 1/3, because take the 0 away, both of the zeros, take them away. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 36 divided by 12 is 3. So it equals 1/3. Question number 2. Mike cuts a pie into 4 equal pieces. What is the angle measure of each piece? Write and solve an equation. I'm gonna think of this. How many degrees do I have in one circle? 360. So I will say 360 divided by 4, since I have 4 equal parts, and the answer will be 90. How? 36 divided by 4 equals 9, and place the 0 down. So 90 degrees. Here, a circle is divided into 9 equal parts. What is the angle measure of one of those parts? Again, I will say 360 because the measuring of the total of this one circle equals 360. So 360 divided by 9 equal parts equals 40. 36 divided by 9 equals 4, and put the 0 down. So 40 degree. Question number 4. An angle turns through 2/8, 2/8 of the circle. What is the measure of this angle? So, as we said before, let's first find it for one unit fraction. Okay? So, 36 divided by 8 equals 45 degree. Since I have two unit fractions here, because in the numerator I have 2, so I will add 45 2 times. 45 plus 45 equals 90. So this was our lesson for today. I hope that you have fun. Please, if you have any questions, ask us. We're waiting your answers. Goodbye. Have a nice day.